Well, hello and welcome to another Get Round video where today we are here at Paultons Park. Yes, we are. It's so exciting. We're finally here to step inside Valgard, the brand new themed area. It has the brand new roller coaster Drakon, which is the first roller coaster Paultons features with an inversion, so it's very exciting. Also the brand new ride Wild Swing, which I'm particularly excited about because I love rides like that. Last time we were here was for the opening of Geurstlauer Manor. So we're here 1 year after for the opening of Valgard and Drakon, and we're also going to get an announcement tonight for the new ride next year, which I believe will be a big water coaster. I was expecting the weather to be rubbish, so this sun is very, very gorgeous. So let's go take a look inside this brand new area in this amazing park. I'm so excited. Ooh, let's go and have a look.
Observing this is us.
Before the tribe, there was only the land and those who dared to claim it. One tribe, one flame, one kingdom. Valgard.
I've got my kid. I've got to stop it. What's the one that you got?
All cowards, hatred, mercy, burden, and hopes to action. But today, warriors, you'll rise, you'll claim these skies as your own. And if Drakon should appear, you fight. This is Valgard, our home, our battleground.
It's not consciously done that, isn't it? Sounds a little bit. It's all good.
Oh, we have just come off our first ride on Drakon there, and it was so good. It was really fun. I think we waited like 30, so it was really good. We'll jump back in it in a minute. Yeah, the queue line had a nice pre-show going in, and the station was nice, quite simple but themed nicely. And then the ride experience itself was so smooth. It was like brand new, like slick, like really nice. There's no shake or rattle whatsoever. The only thing about it was perhaps it was a little bit short, but I knew it was going to be like that. All the elements on there were so smooth, swooply, like one after the other. It felt very like natural, and like it was just really gorgeous. I loved it very much, and that long drawn out stall at the end was my absolute best bit for sure. We're gonna go and see if we can have another go. Oh, it's exciting. Thing in it. Just come off my ride there on Wild Swing. We queued like 20 minutes or something, which I thought was going to be worse, but it was so good. I've never been on one of them before, and I know they're popping up everywhere, but I've not done one yet. And they're much more intense than they look. They're really fun. I liked it a lot. I want to go back on it again. But yeah, it was just fabulous. I loved it.
Travelers of Valgard, your next adventure.
What have you got your eye on?
We read it last night, so it's a bit...
And here is the area out the back of Valgard, where we've got all of the construction happening on the brand new water coaster that's being announced later on today. Got all of the coaster footers down here. I imagine we'll come back next year and this will be all full of water. And this is going to be a big new ride, and we're looking forward to it. Looks like construction is really far ahead, and if you look over here, looks like we've actually got some track. This bright yellow. Well, that's the end of our rainy trip here to Paultons. Unfortunately, the weather's not been on our side, but what can you do? The new Valgard area is so good. It's so well themed. It's like being in a Universal park or something. They've done such a good job. The retheme of Cobra to Raven is amazing. Still my favorite ride here, I have to say. The Wild Swing was amazing. I loved that thing. It's much more intense than it looks. And Drakon was amazing as well. It was so smooth. It was just like the smoothest thing, brand new. It was just like, which I loved. That stall was like the best thing ever. Yeah, just overall love what they've done. It's so impressive. They really are becoming like the best at making theming in the country. I just love Paultons Park so much. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, get railed.